flying slow sticks with Eric. Take one.
Let's get some strange looks.
Get in the hood. Nice. Oh, look at that silhouette with the clouds. So cool. Wow, the sky and the colors look just amazing.
That's beautiful.
Where do you want to go today?
The cutout of the Superstition Mountains.
Oh yeah. That silhouette is just awesome.
Must have a little bit of a breeze up there because I'm like 6 miles an hour, but climbing rapidly.
Yeah, I'm going 5 and 6 miles an hour. I'm having to use a little bit more power than I normally do. There we go. And we're only going like 7 miles an hour here.
Yeah.
I just love the sunlight coming through those clouds and the color over there. Arizona just has the most amazing sunrises and sunsets. So I flew over the basin over there earlier this morning, and it looked like I could see Pete in his white van. Looks like he's still over there now. I can see a white van over there.
I'm gonna make a slow circle to the left.
Okay, I'm right here with you. Wow, the green. So this, I'm using the new, well, the Wasp camera from RunCam. It's called the RunCam Link. This is new. And so far I'm liking it. It runs the aspect ratio that I really like, the 4:3, and it does 120 frames per second as the default. The only difference is it is a little cheaper camera. It doesn't allow you to change the aspect ratio or some of the other settings, like flipping it 180 degrees in the goggles, which is not a big deal, but it has all the spec that I like, and the colors look really good. I'm looking. The sunlight just came through there. Did you see that? And the green on your airplane is very bright yellow. And the blues and the green on the ground.
Man, it's amazing all the construction that's happening there to the left now.
So I believe that could be Meta or Facebook data centers over there. I'm not sure. I know they're going in around here, and looks like Pete's coming down the road. You see him?
Yeah.
We should dive bomb him. Woo, I just went over the top of you. I'm off to your left now. Got it. This one's just a pool of water. The whole thing. See how that one? It looks like it is water. Yeah, a lot of water on that one. This one, dry on that half. All right, did you do any touch and goes on that?
No.
Okay.
But my battery's getting pretty low here.
All right. We can land together if you want. Yeah, I am too. I'm getting low. We need to land. Which way are we coming in? Into the wind?
Yeah.
You think we'll make it around there?
Yeah, I'll swing it around. Landing left to right.
Landing left to right.
down the hill.
Okay, gotcha. Perfect.
Wait a second, I keep rolling down the hill.
Disarmed.
There we go.
Hey, I saw you over there earlier at the other park.